Seton carries a wide variety of pipe marking products tailored to your specific needs, each fully compliant with current ANSI standards. Our three most popular styles of pipe markers are Setmark Snap-Around Pipe Markers, Opti-Code Self-Adhesive Pipe Markers, and Ultramark High Performance Pipe Markers. Setmark Pipe Markers' pre-coiled design allows them to easily be snapped on without the time and hassle of cleaning off dirty, oily, or greasy pipes. Opti-Code pipe markers are made of self-adhesive vinyl. Just peel off the liner and you can adhere these markers directly to any clean, dry surface. Seton's Ultramark pipe markers are our toughest markers that resist chemicals, abrasion, and the harshest weather conditions. These pre-coiled laminated polyester markers wrap right around the pipe and fasten with either an adhesive strip or with nylon ties that we will include for no additional charge. For more information on any of our pipe marking products, contact us today.